In the next experiment, we are going to use the same mechanism to show the effect of air pressure. So, air consists of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. So, in the previous experiment, we saw that carbon dioxide gas was released. So, this gas will have a pressure. Now, we are going to see the effect of this pressure. For this experiment, you will need a plate, 2 plastic bottles of the same size, and you have to drill holes in the covers of these bottles, 1 hole each. So you can get the help of your parents for this. And you also need to drill a hole on the bottle, that is towards the top end. And you will also need 3 drinking straws. Then you will need water, and as you know, vinegar and baking soda. And here I am using food dye. This is optional and you can use any color that you like. I am using blue food dye here. So are you ready? Shall we begin the experiment? We will start by inserting the straws in the holes that we have drilled. So 1 straw in each of the holes that we have drilled in the covers of the bottle. The next step is to connect these 2 straws. So the next step is to connect these 2 straws. So it might be a little bit difficult. So see carefully how I am doing it. So I have connected the 2 straws. So for the next step, I am going to take water. Before that, we have 1 more hole, right? So you need to insert the 3rd straw in this hole. So the 3rd straw is now inserted and it should be at an angle, at a particular angle. For the next step, I need water. I am filling the bottle that has the straw with water. So the next step is to add the food dye. Like I told you, this is optional. And you can use any color that you like. I am using blue. So the color has mixed well. Now I take the second bottle and I add vinegar. vinegar, and now you all know what is the next thing I'm going to add. Yes, it is baking soda. So at this time you need to get your friend to help you, because as soon as you put the baking soda you have to close the bottle. So you need to be fast. So you need to keep it ready. So I'm using a funnel to put the baking soda in, but you need to be fast. So you need to prevent the gas from escaping. Now, did you see what happened? The water spilled out. Do you see the bubbles here? Why is this happening? As you all know, there is vinegar and baking soda here, and the gas that was released is carbon dioxide gas. Now, this gas is compressed and it flows through the straw. It is compressed, so the pressure increases. So this pressure creates a force here which pushes the water out. So shall we try it once again? So once again I'll show you how it is done. So now, do you see the water coming out? So now you know why this happens. The carbon dioxide created through this reaction is compressed and it flows through the straw. Since it is compressed, there is an increase in pressure. So this creates a force that pushes the water outside. So did you enjoy this experiment? You can use different colors and get different colored fountains.